How to sign out of Signal application. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Katie here, and on today's video I will show you how you can sign out of Signal application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you have already opened up Signal application and logged into your account, now if you want to log out and if you're wondering if the application have a sign out button, but for your information, the Signal application does not have a direct sign out button like some other application to sign out of your account. However, there are some other workaround methods that will help you sign out of your Signal account. So for that, what you have to do is through the application app info, you can clear the application data, and that will clear all of the login credential, and you'll be signed out of your account automatically. So you can close the Signal application, navigate to the Signal application in your device, and once you find the application, tap and hold on the application. Tap on app info. Once you're taken into app info, tap on stories and cache. And here you have two options: to clear stories and to clear cache. If you have any important messages or settings, make sure that you back up all of your chat first and then head over to clear stories and then tap on OK. Now once you have cleared your stories, now if you close these settings and if you go back and try to open up your Signal application, you'll be automatically logged out of your account, as you can see. So this is the way to log out of your Signal account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.